In this video, we'll dive into creating your first blog post. Before you start writing, it's essential to answer two key questions. Who is your audience and what interests them? These answers will guide you in choosing a topic that resonates with them, ensuring your content is both relevant and engaging. For this video, our target audience is students who are primarily concerned with completing assignments and courseworks. As a result, our chosen topic will revolve around AI tools for students. Once you have pinpointed your topic, the next step is conducting research to optimize it for search engines. The most effective platforms for this research are Google, YouTube, and TikTok. So, we are starting our research from Google platform. On the search bar, you type AI tools for students. So, in this research, what we are basically looking for is how people have titled their different blog posts. As in how they have optimized different titles for their blog posts. So on topping the search was this title, 10 best student AI tools for homework and studying. Then next was best AI tools for students. Then following it was 10 best AI tools for education 2023. So if you can see, all these searches were optimized with these three keywords. It has best, it has AI tools, and it has students. Yeah, that's what I'm seeing. All these different headings, how they were optimized. They were optimized having the three keywords. So what we are going to do, we shall head over to ChatGPT. Then in this place here where they say send a message, you will type this. I am creating a blog post about AI tools for students. Come up with a search engine optimized title for it. Borrow ideas from the following: 10 best student AI tools for homework and studying. What I did here was basically copied. Remember we earlier on did search here and we got these titles. So we are copying that title and we are giving it to ChatGPT such that it can learn how diff, how people are, how to come up with our own title. I gave it that. Then ChatGPT gave me this optimized title: Unlocking Academic Success, the top 10 AI tools for students in 2023. If you don't want this search, you can always click on regenerate, then it will give you a different one. The different one it gave us: Empower Your Education, top 10 AI tools for students in 2023. But me, I like the first one, which was Unlocking Academic Success, the top 10 AI tools for students in 2023.